Ministry of Urban Development, Shri Naresh Gangwar ji, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Ms. Mio Okoji, Country Director, Asian Development Bank. It is a very fortunate incident that this conference is held in Jaipur. First of all, I thanks and appreciate to the team Rajasthan for organizing this event very impressive manner under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Bhajan Ji and Srinivas ji. There is a word means Padharo sir. Rajasthan is always welcoming their guests. Excellencies, distinguished delegates and friends, today is a pivotal moment in our collective journey towards a sustainable future when the Asia-Pacific region stands as a beacon of innovation, resilience and shared commitment to our planet. To plan the future, one must have an eye on the past. Friends, in the past 200 years, humanity has found unparalleled development on the back of a carbon-based economy. Virtually, every aspect of our daily lives generates waste. कई बार मैं कहता हूँ कि जब हम नेट जीरो की बात करते हैं तो हमें नेचर से सीखना चाहिए. नेचर कुछ भी प्रोड्यूस करती है वो वेस्ट नहीं होता है. इंसान जो प्रोड्यूस करता है उसका एक पार्ट तो वेस्ट और कार्बन होता है. It is impossible to think of any man-made process that does not create some waste. The spectrum range from refuse produced all of us in our daily lives to highly toxic industrial waste from the production of cars, electronics, phones and plastic. Centuries ago, people would take their garbage to the disposal sites located outside the city walls. The waste was either dumped at landfills, burnt or consigned to the oceans. Centuries with no organized waste collection followed. The post-World War II era led to a significant escalation of the waste management problem for two reasons. And today, what we are facing is the problem why so much garbage and waste collected in our cities. The first reason is overconsumption and the rise of chemical age, which were resulted in dramatic change in waste volumes, composition and toxicity. But now, people begin to realize that landfills were causing significant contamination of groundwater. And that is one of the most significant problems of waste. It doesn't just stay as waste.
ठीक है यार, स्टैंड लेके नहीं गया मैं मना करा था. उन्होंने मना करा था. अभी हिली से लिए तो रहा यार, मैं कान तक रोकूं इसको.
धन्यवाद जी यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. ठीक है, हमारा प्रोग्राम चलाते हैं. और एयर पोल्यूशन का जो ज्यादा समस्या है उसमें
लिंक से देख लो यार, काम
एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन. The linear model of take, make, use, discard has thus reached its limit. But it is time to throw our hand in despair? No. Certainly no. Ladies and gentlemen, as we convene this 12th regional 3R and Circular Economy Forum, we are united by the theme of this conference. Realizing circular societies toward achieving sustainable development goals and carbon neutrality in Asia and the Pacific. The driver for adopting circular economy isn't scarcity, it's opportunity. Waste to wealth. We are in the regime of waste to wealth. The circular economy may be about to drive one of the biggest transformation in business since the Industrial Revolution 250 years ago. Through a radical departure from the traditional take, make, waste production and composition models, the circular economy could provide a potential $4.5 trillion in additional economic output by 2030 worldwide. Taking about India specifically, it is estimated that by 2050, India's circular economy could generate a market value of over $2 trillion and create close to 10 million jobs. Friends, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji